Ethan, thank you. Today marks day 4 of testimony in the Delphi double murder trial, and it follows a long, difficult day in court yesterday as the jury was shown crime scene photos of Abby Williams and Libby German for the first time.
Yeah, we know their family got to see it over the weekend so that they didn't have to see it first time today. Kit Hanley has a recap of some of those painful details that we learned in court. Kit, good morning to you.
Angela, Zach, good morning. 3 among several major takeaways from yesterday's tough session in court include the introduction of over 40 graphic crime scene photos depicting the manner in which Abby and Libby's bodies were found, questions surrounding the alleged bullet found at the crime scene, and the way investigators say sticks and branches were placed on the girls. The session included testimony from Carroll County Sheriff's Deputy Darren Giancola, who was the first deputy to arrive at the scene, and Sergeant Jason Page, a crime scene investigator with the Indiana State Police. The crime scene photos included shots of the general area, as well as close-ups of both Abby Williams and Libby German. Now, here are some observations from our reporter Russ McQuaid, who was in the courtroom yesterday. Now, we do want to warn you that the details are disturbing. In the images, Abby was dressed, Libby was not. Abby's clothing appeared to be damp in the photos, which was later reiterated by both Giancola and Page, who recalled that detail from the scene. Bloodstains were visible on both of the girls, the ground, and the surrounding trees. Both girls had their throats slit, with Abby's body positioned 3 to 5 feet away from Libby's. Both girls had tree branches placed on top of them that appeared to be set in a V or a cross-shaped pattern. Now, McQuaid says some of the branches were large, with a large tree limb seen on Libby's left shoulder. McQuaid also noted that Richard Allen, the man charged with 4 counts of murder in connection with the deaths of the girls, showed no significant reaction to the photos in his opinion. Now, meantime, during the afternoon session, defense attorney Brad Rozzi went hard on crime scene investigators who said they found a bullet at the crime scene that was later linked to Richard Allen. Now, that bullet was a key piece of evidence leading to Allen's eventual arrest. However, there were no photos taken of the removal of the bullet at the crime scene, leading the defense to doubt what they call the magic bullet. Investigators also didn't immediately collect the sticks from the girls' bodies, stating that they've never gotten a good hit of DNA from such a surface. Now, one investigator did say, however, that the sticks were entered into evidence 2 days later after they were told to go back. Now, both our Russ McQuaid and Max Lewis are back in Delphi this morning, and Max will be joining us at 8:30 with a live report from the courthouse, with court set to start up again here at 9 a.m. Back to you.
All right, Kit, thank you. Marion police are investigating a neighborhood shooting that left 1 person injured and several houses hit by bullets. Neighbors